Hey guys, this is Courtney from Universal Rocks. I'm here in Dallas, Texas at my friend's apartment complex. We're gonna create an amazing water feature for her balcony that she can enjoy for a nice morning coffee or maybe a late night glass of wine. The unit I have is designed to go on a flat wall, so it doesn't take up a bunch of space. Step 1, you're gonna clear your entire patio space. Step 2, you're gonna grab your waterfall and bring it onto the patio. Our Mayan self-contained unit comes pre-plumbed already, so you don't have to worry about it. There is a hole in here that the plug is actually coming out of, as well as the tubing. Step 3, we're gonna fill up the self-contained unit. This holds approximately 10 gallons, so you can use a hose, you can use a jug, you can use a bucket, whatever works best for you. Now that the water feature has been filled up, I'm gonna plug it in and we'll see how it runs. Step 4, plug it in. We have this special pump cover rock that is designed to cover the pump. It has some pebbles embedded into it to help it sink. If you're wondering how long this water feature will last, you're not sure about the sun or the heat or the cold temperatures that you live in, this product is absolutely durable. It's made out of crushed rock and sand embedded into the material. If you need to clean it, you can power wash it, you can scrub it with a wire brush if any algae ever builds up on it. It's easy to lift, so if you need to dump it out, or you can even water your plants using the leftover water and then refill it. We now plugged it in, we see that it's running very nicely. We're gonna just check to see if this is the placement that we want it on our patio before landscaping. I'm actually gonna also include some lights and a mister, which will be really cool. Here I have a mister, I have a light and a 3-way adapter so I can run the water feature as well as these two things. So I'm gonna unplug the waterfall, turn it a little bit so I can thread the light through. I'm gonna put the pump cover back over the pump. Next, we're gonna bring in the plants. This is the fun part, is the decorating. Now you see I still have quite a few choices to choose from with my landscaping. I think since I don't have a lot of room, I'm gonna go with something a bit smaller like this. If you don't have the luxury of a plant that actually hangs over the black plastic pot, we also sell pot rocks, which are perfect. You just plop them right in and voila. So let's go see how it looks. I have different size rocks here that I'm going to use to help keep down this artificial foliage so it won't blow away in the wind. If the water flow is a little too heavy, you can always put these rocks over the fitting to kind of slow it down. And then you can also just add them around to kind of blend in the fake and real rock. The install is now complete and it looks absolutely beautiful. We have plants, we have lights, we have rocks, and we have water, as well as a mister, which just looks very nice. It's such a wonderful touch to this patio. So here is our Mayan self-contained unit from Universal Rocks. It comes with free shipping, it comes with a pump, it comes plumbed, and it comes in one piece. It's really fun and easy to use, as you see, and it can really just spice up a nice patio.